Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REDMI K90 and let me share with you how to enable the nylight or iComfort mode. So let's begin with opening the settings. We'll start with the customization of this mode and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's scroll and find the display and brightness, which is right here. And now scroll down to localize the option reading mode, which is the name of the iComfort mode or nylight in this device. So let's simply tap on it and let's begin with tapping on this switcher here. Now the reading mode is on. However, we've got two different modes within the reading mode. So the cycle and classic. Cycle is the automatic one, which is based on the up types and sunrise and sunsets. So basically your device automatically decides when it will change the screen color. However, we've got also the classic one where we can manually customize it. So let me mark classic. I'm not sure if you can see the changes in the screen, but we can actually customize it. So just tap on this arrow here. And as you can see, we've got this switcher, thanks to which we can change the color temperature, the intensity of that feature. By going to the left, we can make it cooler, so it is almost invisible, and by going to the right, warmer. And probably now you can see the difference. The screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. Moreover, here we've got another switcher connected to the texture. So right now it is turned off. However, by going to the right, you can apply this harsh paper-like background or texture to the background actually. I'm not sure, I'm not really the biggest fan of it. However, I think that it could be useful if you're reading books on the phone and you wish to have this, I don't know, book-like or paper-like experience during that. So probably it could be quite useful then, but I prefer to have it turned off. Moreover, here we've got the colors. So now we are displaying full colors, which are vibrant, which are energetic, I would say. We can also set the light colors. Just take a look at this switcher. Right now the colors are a little bit dull or washed out. I would say that they are even like maybe pastel or something like that. We can also set everything in black and white manner. So as you can see here, we will have this grayscale, and even our wallpaper is black and white. So I think it would be great in order to limit the time you're spending on the phone, because when it is black and white, it is not really that, you know, vibrant, alluring. You don't really want to use it. And of course you can restore defaults. So all right, so this is let me maybe change it to the biggest intensity. Here, after getting back, we've got also another option, schedule. So simply tap on the switcher and here we've got two additional options. So we can either custom periods, so change the turning on and turning off time, and your device will apply the mode accordingly, or we can set good night's read, and basically it is location based because your device will decide when the sunsets and sunrises are and apply the mode accordingly. Alright, so this is the whole customization of this mode, and if you wish to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar and try to find the icon connected with the reading mode. This icon should contain the eye icon, but it is not here. So simply tap on edit, scroll a little bit to those available system toggles and find reading mode, and tap on this plus icon. Tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner, and here we've got it. So simply tap on it to turn it on and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.